And a machine fire IRM ref for Jamaica's game. Roughest out here, aim attack. No pussy test. No in earth.
Yo. What is up, Jamaica's game? Here with another reaction. Hey guys, today we're with the Sparta boss. Yeah, man. Tommy Lee himself with Bandit. Yes, Tommy Lee with Bandit. I want to just drop music videos down and all. You don't know time you put in the work. So I'm going to jump in and answer with the GS. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Bandit, Tommy Lee, let's go.
Arab banks, I sell drugs, I kill niggas, don't play me. We roll with thugs, some less kilos. Why you mad?
Production team, big up.
Them won't call me down, Kill them, baby, you suit up. I ain't all of you food up. Hold up, jump at the coop, leave a hole in the stomach. Getting hot of these bodies, I know it's not even summer. Niggas see me shaking, I swear the clock is tomorrow. I'ma turn up the murder, we got one over.
One gozo!
Don't blame me.
One bumper clock gozo! Inches, big up!
Why you mad? Oh my God, they won't call me down.
Sparta, talk to them, alright!
Baby, you suit up. I ain't all of you food up. Hold up, jump at the coop, leave a hole in the stomach. Getting out of these bodies, I know it's not even summer. Niggas see me shaking, I swear the clock is tomorrow. I'ma turn up the murder, I got no one was hitting. Harris hell on you demons, I send them cursing the legion.
I want the blood clot to go on that video from me there, man. I want one, man.
Demons, I send them cursing. Harris hell on you demons, I send them. I'ma turn up the murder, I got no one was hitting. Harris hell on you demons, I send them cursing the legion. I spend them hill in your head, I'm coming for nada. Turn this shit to your jelly, then I switch it to the camera. So tell me which dude, when I'm making you, which dude, gonna get you on everything you love, which dude, gonna suck you. I rob banks, I sell drugs, I kill niggas, don't play me. We roll with thugs, some less kilos. Why you mad?
I want a different by Tommy Lee, dog. I swear. I want a different dog. Ready now? Hi.
Kill them, baby, you suit up. I ain't all of you food up. Hold up, jump at the coop, leave a hole in the stomach. Getting hot of these bodies, I know it's not even summer. Niggas see me shaking, I swear the clock is tomorrow. I'ma turn up the murder, I got no one was hitting. Harris hell on you demons, I send them cursing the legion. I spend them hill in your head, I'm coming for nada. Turn this shit to your jelly, then I switch it to the camera. So tell me which dude, when I'm making you, which dude, gonna get you on everything you love, which dude, gonna sacrifice freedom for a nigga, which form?
Man, I'm gonna sacrifice him freedom for a nigga, brother. That means I'm gonna give them some of them, yeah. Fuck around and find out, no?
You want everything you love, which dude, gonna sacrifice freedom for a nigga, which form? No, you don't want all of my games in this nigga's head. They don't know what the fuck they really wanna play. Chicken legs, barely murder in a legs. I rob banks, I sell drugs, I kill niggas, don't blame me. We roll with thugs, some less kilos. Why you mad?
Bumbo clap. Second verse, give me second verse. Ready?
If it ain't murder, I'm getting second thoughts. My silence so loud, no girl amongst the gods. I learned to stay dumb, I ain't speaking to no cops. I ain't no phone, I ain't gotta take no charge. If it ain't murder, I'm getting second thoughts. My silence so loud, no girl amongst the gods.
My silence so loud, a girl amongst the gods.
If it ain't murder, I'm getting second thoughts. My silence so loud, no girl amongst the gods. I learned to stay dumb, I ain't speaking to no cops.
I rather stay dumb, I ain't speaking to no cops. My silence is loud, yo.
So loud, no girl amongst the gods. I learned to stay dumb, I ain't speaking to no cops. I ain't no phone, I ain't gotta take no charge.
Man say I ain't no phone, I ain't gotta take no charge. Nah, take no charge in my whole mouth, in my whole house.
Speaking to no cops, I ain't no phone, I ain't gotta take no charge. Me up, it's in the dark. Some in the killer when I see me hit the mark. Motherfuckers got me going up my arms. Bitch down like a fucking
What do all this?
motherfuckers got me Some in the killer when I see me hit the mark. Motherfuckers got me going up my arms.
Motherfuckers got them turning up. Motherfucker.
Some in the killer when I see me hit the mark. Motherfuckers got me going up my arms. Bitch down like a fucking arm. They treat for a pussy. Killing, I'm waiting, I don't care who you be chilling with. How be up in your business, my sister give them a prediction. I lock on your bodies like navigator, my system. So much demons around me, I can smell the spirit. You know the shit ain't no gimmicks, you know you.
I said so much demons around me, I can smell all the spirit them. Yo,
So much demons around me, I can smell the spirit. You know the shit ain't no gimmicks, you know you will or you feel. Me see a choke, me can lead, the only thing that is real. Kill me, kill. I rip the head of all your superiors and leave the pussies a bleeding. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
melodies with the head. One big up, square the big up.
Hurricane breeze, tropical breeze.
Hurricane breeze, tropical breeze.
Hurricane breeze, tropical breeze. No.
Chip black now. Bumbleclot, Sparta. Big up yourself, bro. Different as always. Big up the G. Big up the G. Big up the G, dog. The G just out to have fun, bro. Like, since Tamale forward from prison, we see a different Sparta boss, bro. I see. Like, Sparta boss, I drop hit, one tap, I hit, bro. Like, that one a dark, though. That one a dark. The devil thing at the front, I hit me. I said, Jesus, wagwan. Wagwan of them, what? Them editor, you know, I put some different things with them, brother. Cause I react to the Skeng and Tamale and Nicky song where dropped a couple days ago. I missed one scholar forward from out there. I say, yo, them money out there, what them money out there, brother? Yo, them editor, you want out the dog? When I get over creative now, eh? When I put all them demons, I want to find out something here from. I'm asking for a friend, cause I'm afraid. Where am they? Where pussy clot sitting there? Want to find this blood clot here from? Hold on, I'm so sure now. I go show you. Hold on, I want to catch this skin. Hold on.
You see me be shaking, I swear to God, it's tomorrow. I'ma turn up the murder rate, I don't know who I'm sitting. How is hell are you demons? I send.
Want to find out something here from? Where the fuck can you find that something here from? That me want to know. Which part don't come up with that image there? Hold on, man. Which part don't come up with that blood clot image here? That me want to know. Where? Which part? Eh? Where that image are forward from? Where this blood clot are forward from? Yo, wanna feel do better, you know? Wanna feel do better, man? Yeah, we understand, say, him say my demon and thing, but we don't have to show them something, man. Yeah, we don't have to show. Look at this now, look here. We don't have to show them something, man. We don't have to do it, man. We can go easy sometime, man. Imagine now, me there, I react to this in our late night, I 1, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, and I'm here alone. I'm here, I'll see this from my screen. I can't sleep. I can't sleep. Can't sleep. Can't sleep. I can't sleep. Anyway, Tamale Sparta Bandit official music video. Big up myself, my G. Let me see if I can see production team. Big up on yourself. Inkjet, big up yourself. You shoot the video. Big up yourself. Yes. There's no one out there close to Tamale when it come out to make it them kind of video, bro. None. Tamale just dark, right? Man just dark, bro. Team and the man say, bro, like, no. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section, though. I'll be down there. Sparta! Yo! Alright.
You know this is Zone, the one and only, and watch now. May I represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying span them and do what? Def them.